And one group that won't benefit, they say, are charities. One study estimates nonprofits in the U.S. could lose $13 billion a year. Let's go now to 10 News anchor Jim Patton, live at the Salvation Army in the College area. And Jim, are they concerned?
Well, the Salvation Army as a national organization is concerned enough that it sent out an email, a brief email to its employees saying, look, we're keeping close watch on this. We're going to wait and see, though, how it plays out. We spoke with a local spokesperson who I felt was cautiously optimistic.
Even if people aren't itemizing, we're hoping that they're still going to be giving to do good here in San Diego.
Now, I want to try to explain this for you. Basically, as a taxpayer, you're still going to be able to deduct for charitable donations under the Republican plan, but as always, you'll have to itemize to do so. Right now, about 30% of Americans do itemize their taxes, but the Republican plan doubles the standard deduction for those who don't, which could be a great incentive for people to stop itemizing, at least for some people. The one accounting professor that we spoke to says he doesn't see a big change here in California because too many of us need those itemized deductions related to our expensive homes.
As a result, here in high cost of living California, where we pay a lot of taxes and we buy expensive houses, there's still a pretty good chance a lot of the folks here in Southern California are going to continue to itemize.
And that was Associate Professor Steve Gill over at SDSU, but he did go on to point out that the cap for what you can deduct in terms of mortgage deduction will only go up to $750,000 in terms of the loan that you have and that mortgage tax deduction that you would have. And he says that will make owning a more expensive home even more expensive in California. And he says there's a chance that'll put a downward pressure on those higher priced homes in terms of how much they can sell for because it's going to cost more to own them. But again, it's wait and see how it's all going to play out. We are in new territory. In the College area, Jim Patton, 10 News.